today I explain you exercise 3.2 question number 1. So our question number 1 is form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Okay, find their solutions graphically. So first of all we need to make the linear equation, right? We need to form the pair of linear equations and we need to find their solution graphically. Okay, this is our first method, graphical method. So our first question is, two internal question is there. So first question, 10 student of class 10 student of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, again 10 student of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. So here total we have two things. First one is number of boys and second one is number of girls. Okay, so we assume number of boys is equals to x, number of girls is equals to y. So this is our two variable x and y. Okay, now we need to form the linear equation. Here we get two equations. Okay, because it is a linear equation in two variable, that's why we required two equation to solve this question. So first equation we get from the first line, 10 student of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Total student 10. Okay, 10 student of a class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. So here number of boys plus number of girls is equals to 10 because total student is equals to 10. Okay, so first equation x plus y is equals to 10. Okay, number of boys is equals to x, number of girls is equals to y. So total participant, that means x plus y, boys plus girls, and it is given here total student is equals to 10. So x plus y is equals to 10. This is our first equation. Okay, then we need to find second equation. So our second equation we get from the second line. Here it is given that if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, girls is more than the boys. Okay, so number of girls, that means y, right? Number of girls is equals to 4 more than the number of boys. So x plus 4. Okay, number of girls, that means y, is 4 more than means plus 4. Okay, 4 more than the number of boys, so number of boys x plus 4. Okay, so number of girls y is equals to 4 more than the number of boys. So our two equations are ready. Okay, now if we transfer this x to the left hand side, sorry, here we transfer y to the right hand side. In most of the case we try to make our x is positive. Okay, we try to make x is positive. Here x already positive, it is in right hand side, so we do not transfer x, because if we transfer x to the left hand side then it becomes minus x. Okay, we want plus x, that's why we can transfer our x to the left hand side, but in most of the case we try that our x becomes positive. So here transfer y to the right hand side and 4 to the left hand side. So in right hand side, first of all x plus y becomes minus y, and this 4 transfer to the left hand side, it becomes minus 4. Okay, so finally x minus y is equals to minus 4. Done. Two equations. Now we need to represent these two equations in a graph. So what we do in previously in exercise 3.1, in that time we already learned this, right? we want at least 2 points to represent the line, right? We want at least 2 points to represent the line. So here we do the same process here. So first equation is x plus y is equals to 10. Okay. So in this equation, x plus y is equals to 10, put y is equals to 0. If we put y is equals to 0, then now put the value of y. So x plus in place of y 0 is equals to 10, right? So x is equals to 10. This is our first point, because I already tell you while I explain exercise 3.1, in most of the case we try to find intersection point of line with the x-axis and y-axis, right? So here we do the same process. That's why first of all we put y is equals to 0 and we find the value of x here. Now in second case, put the value of x is equals to 0. Now try to find y. So here 0 plus y is equals to 10. Okay, so y is equals to 10. So our 2 point, this is second point, x 0 and y 10. This is first point, x 10 and y 0, right? Here y 0, x 10. This is our second point here, x 10, y 0. And this is our first point, x 0 and y 10. Okay. So our 2 points are ready. Then from second line is x minus y is equals to minus 4. Now put x is equals to 0. Then 0 minus y is equals to minus 4. So minus y is equals to minus 4. Now transfer y to the right hand side and transfer 4 to the left hand side. So both becomes plus, positive. Y is equals to 4. Right? So first point is done. Now for second point, put y is equals to 0. So now put here y is equals to 0. So x in place of y 0 minus 4. So x is equals to minus 4. Right? This is our second point. Right? So first point is x 0, y is equals to 4. Then y is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 4. So first point 0 4, x 0, y 4. And second point x minus 4 and y 0. Okay, now represent this point on the graph. Okay, this 4 point we need to represent in the graph. So here first of all 0 10. Now x coordinate 0, that means the point lies on the y-axis. So in y-axis at 10 it is a 0 10, right? Now second 10 0. Now y coordinate 0, it lies on the x-axis. So here 10 0. So now pass one line from this 2 point. It is our first line, x plus y is equals to 10. Okay, here it is not written, but it is good habit to write the equation here. That means just extend your line and write down equation. Okay. Then for second line we have 1.04. Now x coordinate 0, that means lies on the y-axis. Here 0 4. Second point minus 4 0. It is lies on the x-axis. Here minus 4 0. Now pass one line from this 2 point. Okay. So it is this one. This is our second line. So here even you can just write down the equation of second line. Okay. So what is your equation of second line? It is x minus y is equals to minus 4. Okay, now I rub this. You can do this. It is a good habit to write the equations. Now, what is our solution? It is the intersection point of this two line, right? Intersection point of this two line. It is our solution, because we need some that type of point. We satisfy both the equation, because we need to fulfill both the condition. Okay, total student is equals to 10 and girls is 4 more than the boys. We need to satisfy both this condition. That's why we find here intersection point. Okay, so here intersection point, if we extend to the x-axis and y-axis, it is a 3 7. you may know about if you may know about from the graph. Okay, here you can see that even just extend x-axis. This is first, second, and third point. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so it is 3, 7. So 3, 7 is the solution of our this question, right? 3, 7 satisfy both the condition. So here what is our answer? Now here first coordinate is x coordinate and second coordinate is y coordinate. So what we assume as a x? Number of boys, right? So number of boys is equals to 3 because x is equals to 3, that's why. And number of girls, it is equals to 7, right? Now if you can say that total number of students 7 plus 3, it's a 10, and girls is 4 more than the boys is 3, 3 plus 4, 7, right? So this answer satisfy both the conditions. So this is our final answer. We need to find intersection point of the line. Okay.